Welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about taking natural whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, and herbs to help the body heal. We will also take those same foods and create DIYs. Using fruits, vegetables, and herbs, we will create masks, lotions, body butters. We're going to formulate ways to help the body inside out. If this sounds like something you would be interested in, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell. This will allow me to send you notification each time a new video is released. And with that being said, I'll be right back. This video is all about juicing for eye health. We are normally under the assumption that our eyes are normally going to fail or reduce functionality as we age. But the truth of the matter is, a healthy lifestyle will greatly reduce any problems we may have with our vision. The most common problems we have in the United States are cataracts, which is that film we see over the eyes as we get older, and AMD, which is age-related macular degeneration. Now, that has to do with our eyes translating images to the brain. Now, what food is really good for the eyes? Normally, they're food rich in beta carotene. Why? Because the body converts beta carotene into vitamin A, and vitamin A is needed for your skin, your vision, which in turns mean your eyesight. Foods rich in beta carotene are sweet potatoes and carrots, to name a few. Now, if you was to take a non-GMO carrot or sweet potato and cut it in half, you would see a circle. That circle will resemble the iris or the eye, which means that particular fruit is very good for that particular body organ. Food high in vitamin or beta carotene is also kale and spinach. Those are very high and good for the eyes. Now, what would happen if we was to juice or flood the body with food that's rich in vitamin A? Let's make a juice for the eyes. good to your health.